Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn on noise cancellation on Beat Studio 3. Method 1. Double tap the power button. Make sure your Beat Studio 3 headphones are powered on. Locate the power button on the right ear cup. Double tap the power button quickly. This will toggle the active noise cancellation on or off. A voice prompt will announce noise cancellation on or noise cancellation off to confirm the change. Method 2. Using the Beats app. Open the Beats app and tap on My Beats to display the device screen. Select your Beats Studio 3 headphones from the list of devices. Tap on the noise control option. Toggle the switch for active noise cancellation on or off. Method 3. Using the iPhone settings. Make sure your Beats Studio 3 headphones are connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth. Select your Beats Studio 3 headphones from the list of devices. Tap on the eye icon next to the name. In the noise control section, toggle the switch for active noise cancellation on or off.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.